Yep, you are seeing what you think you're seeing, right? We're gonna do a mukbang today, but with reaction style. Guys, I think I need to change up my channel a little bit. Flashing both of these two audiences together might work, I don't know, give or take. I do have some videos in the past where I do eat while I react, but I kind of want to take that to a whole new level now. But let me know, it's going to be kind of hard for me to really figure out that niche audience, because obviously I know food is their own audience. There's no doubt that my own audience is a fan of food related content. Hopefully, I don't know about food related content, but hopefully you guys like Thai food. So today we got curry here with Kanom Jin, which is basically meaning snack in Chinese. So yeah, I know we kind of collide with what we eat with them, I guess. Not really. So we have a brand new Fit for an Autopsy track. In short, I know it's long ass intro. I do have ginger ale as well. I know it's great value, not great, but if you want to look at the nutritional contents, there you go. This is not really planned out, guys. I just thought, well, you know, I haven't eaten lunch yet, so why not freaking do it? I don't know if this is gonna be like a regular thing. I might do mukbang slash reactions with just like me eating a snack, but I don't want to become a fat ass either. Just make an excuse to do a video and have to do a mukbang too, you know what I mean? I don't want to force it. Today's just so happens to be a mukbang slash reaction. So anyways, a new Fit for an Autopsy track called Two Towers. It does say it's an animated music video, so I don't really know what to expect for that. If it's like a forced music video or like fan filmed or whatever. There's an audio jack right here. Let's get right to it. Shut up and eat and listen. So it's 5 minutes, 52 seconds long, so it's pretty long. go. Yeah, so I had to get going, guys. I had a moving job earlier, so I didn't get to sum up my outro for you guys. I actually had like a few more bites left to finish up that bowl of Quinoa jeans. So please let me know if you know what type of food that is. I know I didn't really showcase it that well, so it's not really a professional mukbang style video. But listen, you guys know how Thai food is. It's spicy, it's great, it's amazing. It's basically noodles, and I had the curry in there. It was a chicken, and I don't think she put too much other vegetables aside from the Chinese eggplant. That was a red curry, by the way. Mom makes the best curry. For real. For real. So, anyways, guys, yeah, this song, back to the song, was just a lot going for it. For that 6 minutes long song, what was it? At least the first minute, right? Maybe a minute and a half. I can't remember the exact time frame, but really nice riffing going on here and there between Patrick and I think Tim is his name. Those two guys are beast, absolute beast at their craft. Well, and then obviously Will Putney too. He puts in work as well. I know I should be giving him more credit here because he's like the guy who is on duty in the studio, which doesn't go out on the live show. Absolutely killer breakdown. It just came out of nowhere to me. It was, I think, 4 minutes in, if I recall. That was an absolute like bop right there. That's when I had to stop putting food down my throat, and I had to like sit there for a minute like, what? And then I was just having fun using my chopsticks at the drumming. And he's an insane drummer too. I didn't really notice that. And then obviously we got freaking Joe on vocal duty. He's just got an insane range. He's just not like your typical deathcore vocalist. Then obviously we have the outro of the song where it just fades out, but they're still riffing it out for like the last minute, I think. It's definitely like better than even most of the new Whitechapel album, which I absolutely love. It's different obviously for deathcore, but like kind of comparing the two bands together, because I think these two bands are the kings of the entire deathcore scene right now. Yeah, you can say Shadow Intent or even Solar to Prevail, kind of like give or take the two like mid-tier bands just below them in my opinion. Then you have the Irish Murder, you get what you expect from them, so they're kind of on that same level as those two as well. These guys, wow, they're just slaying it. The last single, In Shadows, although I will say that song was kind of just a little bit too melodic for my taste. Yeah, for sure, it's a deathcore track. It's got some nice beefy heaviness to it, but I wasn't really feeling it as much. I don't know what it was. I didn't get to react to it because it was a very busy weekend full of music. Comeback Kid, Silosis, and a whole bunch of other shit. These guys have been dropping a lot of singles here. They had Far From Heaven, then you had Pandora. Far From Heaven I gave like a 9.5 out of 10 if I recall. So yeah, this is even better, guys. Best single so far. Can't wait for Oh What the Future Holds out this Friday, the 14th. We also have a new Skilled album coming out, and then Comeback Kid. So anyways, guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought of this track. Let me know if you like Thai food and if you enjoy this video, and if you do want to see more related content like this in the future. Definitely willing to do more stuff like this. It's just, again, I'm not the one in the household who does all the fucking cooking. and can do amazing cooking. So this might be some little thing here and there, might be a snack, who knows. Let me know what you guys want to see me eat too. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.